Okay, for 29, Mr. Guo is thinking of a number. When he takes the absolute value of his number, he gets 15. What could his number be? So in reality, in algebra, they're just saying, when he takes the absolute value of this unknown number, which in algebra we'll call x, he gets 15. So what they're really saying is the absolute value of some unknown number equals 15, right? So the way absolute values work, remember what they are first. Because you should always know what they are instead of just the shortcut, right? 1, 2, 3. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Let's say I wanted to find the absolute value of -3. Well, absolute value is how far it is to 0 on the number line. So if I count 1, 2, 3, the absolute value is 3 because -3 is 3 away from 0. It's the distance to 0 on the number line. Also, for 3, the distance away is 1, 2, 3. Oops, 1, 2, 3. Also. But we don't really do that. When we take absolute values of numbers, right, if I say what's the absolute value of -3, you just say 3. You take away the negative sign, right? You make it positive, right? And that's what we do. But it's really because it's the distance to 0 on the number line. So what numbers could I put in for x to make the absolute value of it 15? Well, I could put x as 15 because the absolute value of 15, right, if 15's over here, then the absolute value of that is 15. But also I could put -15, right? So I could also have -15. So it says, what could his number be? His number could be a positive or -15, right? And is there more than one possible answer? Yes, right? There's two, right? There's 15 and -15.